The Tennessee Board of Judicial Conduct has disciplined Judge Mike Hinson multiple times, and now some are questioning his actions from the bench yet again.
Andy Cordan has been reporting on the Lewis County judge for years. He joins us with what he's uncovered. Andy.
Hey there, guys. Earlier this year, Lewis County Judge Mike Hinson dismissed a majority of cases that came before him in a specific day. And those cases include domestic assault, reckless driving, leaving the scene of an accident, meth possession, speeding, driving on a suspended license, even theft. This is the court docket from October 6th of this year. It's a full slate that includes domestic violence, drug charges, even theft cases. But on this date, General Sessions Judge Mike Hinson dismisses 41 of these cases, highlighted in pink. The question is why? News 2 offers the judge multiple opportunities to go on camera, but instead, Judge Hinson sends a statement that says in part, "It is true that I dismissed several charges that day. Most of the docket consisted of cases wherein restitution had been made. Issues such as suspended licenses had been resolved, and others deserving another chance." This is not the judge's first brush with controversy. In 2018, I interviewed Michael Hinson after he reportedly dismissed hundreds of THP tickets.
I do have a very liberal dismissal policy.
Even coming to this traffic stop, actually adjudicating the case and dismissing it on the spot, while the trooper is still writing the citation.
That's not the first time I've done that.
The judge writes, "I don't apologize for giving people as many chances I believe necessary. If they're honest, admit their mistakes, and are working to correct them." One of the cases the judge dismisses in October involves a domestic assault, where a woman assaults a man in a restaurant in front of a police officer. In another case, a Hohenwald drug officer stops a car for speeding, finding meth and paraphernalia. The judge dismissed the case. And in this case, you can actually see a man steal a motorcycle tire. Hohenwald police work many hours, get confessions, and make arrests. The judge dismisses the case. The shop owner who got his tire back tells me this.
I know that it's probably maybe an injustice that the cops worked as hard and tirelessly as they did, but, you know, at the end of the day, I got my stuff back and brought some awareness to the community that do something wrong and we will catch you. That's where I stand on it.
The judge writes, "Most people who pass through my court are not criminals. They're people with problems who need help and should be treated as such. Sometimes the law is just too harsh. I stand by each decision I made that day. It's inaccurate to judge my ability based on one day over my 8+ year career. I will not apologize for my style of judging, nor will I change. I will not stop believing in and helping the people of Lewis County. Sometimes you have to judge by the heart, not the book." Now the Lewis County DA tells me that the district attorney's office is reviewing each case individually and will act accordingly. Now the Hohenwald police, they had no official statement, but I'm told that many of these dismissed crimes will be represented to the grand jury. Let's send it back to you guys.
Andy, also, Judge Mike Hinson was suspended in September of last year and faced public reprimands in both December of 2020 and May of 2018.